My name is Collins Kipchirchir, a student in area TTI, taking Electrical and Electronics Engineering, level 6. Today I'm going to perform solar installation, and as you all know, when you are installing solar, you have to have a distribution board. So this is a distribution board that you are going to install our circuit breakers inside. So I'm going to install it here so that we can bring the wires from the solar to here or from the battery to here so that it can be used. So now I'm going to start my installation. I'm screwing it. Okay.
Fix my distribution board. As you see here, I have a distribution board. So I'm screwing my distribution board.
Fanya hivi man. Yaani kufanya mabalbu.